people, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you've heard me say it many times, Jamaica is a Netflix series. So, this episode should be called 87 in the Dead Sea, because the bread is salt. Imagine this youth will carry out it, right? Take money to carry out it against a lady by the name of Janice. Her full name is Janice Ellison Reed, right? Now this took place in Thompson Pen, Spanish Town. Once again, we're seeing Spain back in the news for all the wrong reasons, because we are reporting that over 48 hours, 8 people lose their life, and that includes the tragic case in Trial Heights. You know, the one that caused that huge protest. Only never see the videos of the huge protests. People were so disgusted, them block roads, tire through all over the place, and man burn down shops, so them can't take it. Only never see the protests. Only never see the protests. Grandma and the two little girl, them only never see it. Oh, that's right, because it didn't happen. It did not happen. And there won't be none for Janice either. Just putting that out there. Right. And I have to say, the silence is deafening from all these groups that, proclaim to love women and, protect women and women empowerment and stand up for women. They're silent at a time like this. I find that very interesting. I mean, we know people don't care about men. We know that much. Right? But I was at least expecting people to, jump out, put on their woke hats and start to, make some noise. Seeing that women are going out back to back to back, right, in such brutal manner. Anyway, let's go back to this 87. There's a youth who get to understand, go by the name of Walker. What happened to Walker? Well, Walker is a long-time criminal. Walker take money to carry out hit on the lady Janice, right? Now, so far the information we're getting is that Janice used to work at a restaurant, right? And she end up have some kind of worker, I don't know the legal term, but if staff and the like or certain things go down, them can carry them boss got court. Well, the judgment was found in her favor and she was supposed to get some money, right? Where you say the man who run the restaurant put out the hit on her. Why are people saying that? Well, Walker himself says so. After Walker and a couple of the 87s turn up to the woman yard, them hold on her husband. He was outside the yard. Tell her husband to call her out of the yard. Or call her out of the house. The husband call him wife, and as she come out, the man them start attack her. I heard the majority of the rounds them were in her head. Now when I first heard that, I had to get clarification, because I was like, what do you mean the husband call her out? Because at first it sounded like, like with your typical kerosene to call somebody and set them up. But like if you understand, so the man them pull up, drape up the husband, right, hold on upon him at gunpoint and make him call out the wife. No, he was at gunpoint, right? He was under duress. But I don't know how the man that go sleep. Right? Because even though he was at gunpoint, I don't think the man that go comfortable. Right? Knowing say he did call out his wife, having a fairly good idea what was going to happen to her. Surely that has to be one of the most cruel decisions that 87 can force you to make. A, don't call her out and you likely dead. Or B, call her out, she dead, you survive and live with the fact that you call her out. Or even C, them call her out and then still kill you anyway. I mean, to be honest, it sounds like one of those sick, twisted games. Them twisted game the way you get 2 questions and you think to yourself, then really? You really gonna force me to make a decision like that? Right? So, anyway, the 87s them do it, or at least one of them, end up from the definition of what them call instant karma. Because the one named Walker, after them take the woman life, and now I get to it, right? Obviously the whole part shot them start finding the place. Other man of the era now start to inquire what go on, right? And then Walker and the local 87 them get in a shootout. The man them corral him, start to fling on some lick on him, right? When you see the video, over him eye, around him mouth, they can see him get a good beating. But then them never stop this so. Them start videoing him. And then make him confess right upon the spot. Now if you want to see the video, you already know where to go. politicswatch.com, right? Patreon squad, the video is on the Patreon homepage, right? So you don't have to go through in case the site slow down, you can just watch it on the Patreon page. Now, basically, in the video, he mentioned say, all of this is going back to somebody who him call Corey Goat Boss. Now, I get to understand say, the brother named Corey Goat Boss right now be running up and down. Be running up and down because not only, right, the man them mash up Walker, but them end up kill him and dash him Palm Bridge. And now them a look for the other 87s, right, who take part in the ops, right. And again, may you say even Corey Goat Boss himself life in a danger because the money that the lady was supposed to get, Janice had won the lawsuit and she was supposed to get some money. And because they must say him don't want to pay out the money, he might have put a hit upon the woman. Walker said this from his own mouth, right? I'm going to get into the legal side of it as to whether or not that video is enough to sink the person with the matter about Corey Goat Boss. We'll get into that. But check this out. We're also hearing that Janice's son also went missing. Yes, them take with the youth in the day and all know them to find him back. He's presumed dead as well. So not just the mother, but also her son. Mother and son. People don't really need to see the video. We don't really need to see the video because we know, listen, the kerosene hearts are going to break. The hearts are going to break when them see poor little Walker. Poor little Walker lie down on the ground, face mash up. Right. Face sweat, mouth, lip them swell up. After beating the man in game. Kerosene hearts will be breaking all over the country. One of the first things I asked, why the man them do with him so? What, are they that woke? They were there against violence against women? Now if you understand, so the main reason why them do it is because one, it was unsanctioned. They must say in a bad man place you can't just take it up on yourself to go carry out certain apps and then get approval from certain people. Two, they must say the lady Janice, based on the circumstances, him shouldn't carry out the apps there. Again, especially without certain people approval, right? Because it look like him like try to recruit people initially and man tell him say, yo, Lego that. But him gonna take it up on himself, go look for new man, right? Go look for other man carrying the place. And that was the end result. So, right there so, you don't know, in a bad man place, you know it got ready. You can kill, but kill with permission. You can kill, but make sure say certain people sign off on it, right? Make sure say it's who them decide you can kill. So, Walker learned the hard way. Instant karma. No, the son for Janice, Jermaine, as me say, he's missing. Right? People are saying based on who and you know the circumstances when people go missing, right? In a place like that, them they normally get found again, right? But I guess we can keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best, right? So mother and son gone. All because what you say, man no want to pay lawsuit money. Now, let's talk about the video. As him dip on the ground, right? Sound like him all a struggle to talk, told them broke him up. Him call name and him said this all come back to Corey Goat Boss. This is what I want to know. The legal experts in the PIA, the lawyers, especially if you're a real lawyer, I want somebody to tell me, would that video be enough to sink somebody? Would the video of him saying this go back to Corey Goat Boss and basically saying Corey Goat Boss and me, would that be enough to sink him? If no other witness to turn up, would that be enough to sink him? I want people to tell me in the comment section. Don't bother follow up my DM, put it in the comment section so other people can see. Because that's a serious question right so. What if a 87 get catch in the act and in his dying moments him say a Simple Simon send me? Could we sink Simple Simon after that alone? Because in the video you can tell, because them want emphasize the fact say him say a Corey Goat Boss send me. It's like the video loop back on itself, then repeat like it repeat, right? I'm thinking if a lawyer, like if you have a high net worth Chetbert Samuels or Peter Champagne, you know, them high profile defense lawyers, Townsend and them and they. I'm thinking if them watch that video there, and them say, well, see, that part get loop over, that part get edit, so, well, this video is fake. I wonder if a big time lawyer can pull apart the video. Serious question. We're not just looking at stories, not just looking at the news. We want to educate yourself on the law. I genuinely don't know. I'd love to know if that in itself, because it's one thing to say, yeah man, this needs to happen more. 87 need to get catch and mash up, and right before them take them last bit, and if you talk who send them, we need to know if we're getting a 87 pan video in him last moment saying that Simon sent me, if that is enough to sink Simon, or we will still need, you know, all my witnesses, and we will still need this, and we will still need that, and all these things. It's very interesting. Very interesting. But all I know, Walker, Salt, I'm not shedding no tears for no Walker. Not even a drop. And you know what? You see, because other 87s hit him off, it completely removes any potential for any roadblock going. What me I talk about? You know it go man, because let's say Walker did get away, and then, you know, C-Top will catch him and mash him up down the road. Then that runs the risk of triggering off a roadblock. And that's the last thing the people in Jamaica need, a roadblock. More tire get through across the streets and all that kind of old car pushing on the road. So by the fact that other 87s kill him, we won't get in a roadblock. Right? And the outpouring of grief and hearing the stories of how he healed the sick, right, raised the dead, right, and feed the poor, we're not gonna really hear much of that, right? Because I say 87 kill him. So now we need the other youth them to go up on the ops, right? Because it wasn't just Walker alone. We also need, right, for hear say the brother where Walker call out, right, as he was taking his last breath, right, Corey Wood Bast. We should be hearing say him get called in and charged, right, before the week done, right? Because this is what you'd call poetic justice if Walker own a testimony, right? Even though a Walker will kill the man, Fim own a testimony, end up sink the man or send him. You know what? It needs to happen more often. It needs to happen more often. Because enough of the time, when them kind of things are go down, even if we catch the 87 and carry it out, the man them will send them pan the ops, right? The man them will pay the money and put out the hit. Them very rarely get catch. Very rarely. We've seen on the Beachy Stout case, right? The man they carry it out, they may not turn, and the man they send them. Well, even though Walker never going on a station, right? With the help of a cell phone, he may not talk. And I can predict what some people are going to say. A lot of people are going to say, see, Sir P, that's how we must deal with 87s. The same way them other 87s here mash him up, put around the 9 foot and swell up his mouth and swell up his eye and make him start talk. That's how we have to go treat 87s. People have to remember, the law cannot operate, right, the way how 87s operate. If this was to happen in a police station, if police was to carry in Walker, right, put round in a foot and swell up eye and swell up mouth, the only thing when I come out of it is that Walker would be very, very rich. Kind of that's through the state. And plus, you know, the woke activists them that say, look how them do the man, look how they mash up the man's face with police brutality. So even though people say that, I don't think people really mean that. Because if people actually start to that happen, if people actually start here say, man get dragged in a station and start get beaten left, right and center with talk and face swell up and mouth swell up, I think the same people them are going to start ball out say, yo, injustice. Right, so let's not get carried away. This was a case of instant karma. Walker, all the people life him take. See, evil only reigns for your time. It catch up on you. And when it catch up on you, it's real ugly. When you don't watch the video, only see him on the ground, right? When you can see a man, right, with much duppy upon him, but now the table turn. Table turn, You can see him look fragile. You can see him look helpless, right? Like many of his victims. So I might have to do a follow-up on this video, because by the time I get the video them and get the details them, it was quite late. So I had to just make this video. So after it goes live, it's probably when I will hear more details, right? As I said, depending upon just how much more things we get, I might have to do a follow-up. But just bear in mind, before the video ends, bear in mind, you see what happened when one group of criminals turn up to go shoot people with gun and then woke up in our next set of man with gun. That happened to walk in woke up in our next set of man with gun. See, me enough of them should have woke up in some law-abiding citizens with gun. So we need these 87s to think long and hard before they go up on these ups. They need to think when them get the hit and somebody say, see some money, I want to go shoot Janice. They need to think long and hard. Say, you know what? I wonder if one time I go on there, 1, 2, 3 man on there with license firearm and I'm going to take me on. I wonder if that go happen. That's how we need 87s to be thinking. Because right now, them too comfortable. Them too comfortable knowing so the odds of them getting any kind of challenge is extremely, extremely small. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Remember the video is on the homepage of Patreon, right? PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.